My name is Mike Rosenstein. I live here in Delray Beach. My wife and I bought a property here. We liked the location, we loved the area, and then we decided that we need more room. And we had a couple options. We could either expand the house we were in or demolish it and start from scratch. And we had seen a number of Stuart and Shelby signs in the neighborhood, so we knew that they were local, we knew they did good work, and we met with them. And we just got a good feeling. We met with Chuck Halberg first, and liked the professionalism, the organization. We just got a good vibe in talking to them, and then everything took off from there. We had a great project manager on the job, DJ, very attentive to detail. I'd have to say, this is the fourth new construction project that my wife and I have been involved in. It's the fourth new house we've owned. And I have to say, this was the best experience. We had some ideas of what we really wanted. We wanted to make this our permanent home. There were some things that didn't exist in on the previous house that we wanted in the new house. Things like, for me, I wanted a garage. We wanted bigger bedrooms. We wanted bigger bathrooms. We wanted more closet space, more storage space. So that kind of led to the design of this house. One of the things that kind of came about in talking with the architect and the builder was the space above the garage. Originally was just going to be attic type storage space. And then we came up with the idea of what if we just lifted the house up a few more feet and built a loft above the garage. That would be perfect for an office or when the grandkids come over, a great place for them to stay. It's just a great space, and it's very functional and very comfortable up there. With every builder you work with every area, things are different and there are going to be problems. No matter how organized you are and how much you plan ahead, there are unforeseen circumstances. It comes down to how they get handled, and Stuart and Shelby handled them perfectly. Their attention to detail, their customer service and support were great. They were the best that we've ever worked with. I would definitely recommend Stuart and Shelby as a builder in this area.